Here's the question I got asked. If I block somebody on LinkedIn and a company page, which is 100% public, reshares content that I have posted and tags me in the post, can the person that I blocked see that company page post, and can they see my content in my name? Let me set this up for you. So first of all, you can see right here, if I go to my post and activity, that I just made this post right here. 4 minutes ago, I made this post. Isn't that a lovely picture? Then what I did was I went to the company page, Burris Consulting. And by the way, I'm logged in as Teddy Burris. Went to the company page. You can see page post. And I've not been posting a lot here, and all that's left for people to see. There's a lot of other posts, but all the other posts have timed out. They are more than a year old, they don't get seen. So I got this 7-month-old post right here, teach your sales team. And I got this brand new post that the company page, Burris Consulting, said, this is a test. I'm sharing a post from Teddy Burris, and they tagged me, and they shared my post. All right, so there's the setup. My content shared by company page. Now the next thing that I did is I went, let me go show that to you. Go to visibility, I think, blocked members. Here it is right here. And do a search for, hang on a minute, do a search for Reva. There she is. 3 minutes ago, I blocked Reva Adams. Do you see this picture now? So I blocked somebody. Now let's go to that person's profile. Hang on a minute. Now I have permission to do this. I'm in Reva Adams' account. You can see right here I'm logged in as Reva. Now I'm going to go to that company page right here, Burris Consulting, and I'm going to look at it. Now let me take you back real quick and show you what I've got. If I go back into my account, you can see that 5 minutes ago Burris Consulting shared this. Let's see what Reva sees. Go back in as Reva. Go to Burris Consulting, go to post. She only sees the post from 7 months ago. Let me see if timing's on, will work for me. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna unblock Reva. Unblock. I gotta put my password in, and now she went away from the list. She's no longer blocked. Now, let me just prove that. Let's see if timing is on, will work for me. Go search for Reva Adams, and I can see her profile. She's not blocked. I know that because right down here, block is an option. Let's go see what Reva sees. I'm going to refresh. Reva can see my post from 6 minutes ago, as well as that 7-month-old one. She can see my post. Let's summarize. I created a post. I had a company page reshare my post and even tag me. I blocked a LinkedIn member. That LinkedIn member went to that company page and looked for the post and did not see the post that mentions me nor includes that post that I made that it shared. I unblocked that same LinkedIn member. I had that LinkedIn member go back to that company page and look at it, and they could see the post that that company page made that included mentioning me and sharing my content. Bottom line, you block them, they won't see your content if it's shared by a company page. I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping college students and college recent grads use LinkedIn in their career, and I hope this is helpful for you.